Take your harmonica and stand or sit comfortably. If you don't have a harmonica or need help choosing one, go to breathingway.com and we'll help you. Now close your eyes. Imagine you are standing under a soft stream of light. This light is warm, gentle. It flows from above and touches your skin, your face, your body. It enters every cell, quietly, softly, filling you with brightness. Now breathe through your harmonica. Play chords, 3 or 4 holes at a time. No melody, just breath, just sound. Inhale as if you are soaking in that light. Let it fill you. Let it charge your body from within. Exhale and let go. Let your body soften. Let everything unnecessary melt away. Inhale, light. Exhale, release. Let your breath and the sound of your harmonica guide the process. Each inhale brings more clarity. Each exhale, more space inside. You don't have to force anything. Just breathe and trust the light. You may start to feel calmer, lighter, more alive. This is your energetic reset, your moment to recharge. This is Breathing Way. See you tomorrow.